Welcome to Wild Sourdough. I'm your host, Papa Zaw from Weird Wild Pizza. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Why isn't my starter growing?
The main reason sourdough starter doesn't grow is temperature and time. If you have the starter sitting at the right temperature, which is room temperature, then just keep feeding it twice a day, 12 hours apart, and it'll eventually become active.
What is room temperature?
Room temperature is 20 to 22 degrees Celsius or 68 to 72 degrees Fahrenheit.
Thanks for watching Wild Sourdough. Like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more.